happy 250th anniversary of the United States and living in here in Florida. And guess what we get? A red, white, and blue sunset for United States 250th anniversary. How special is that? Oh, look at the fireworks. Wow. Let me walk over here, guys. So special. Fireworks all over. I love this country. You can smell the barbecue outside. Wow. Okay, guys, how special is that? So we're going to zoom in. Okay, there we go. See? Wow. So we can zoom in, you guys. Hold on, sorry about that. Check that out. Red, white, and blue. A few more ones signed from above. There you go. Fireworks going off here. Smell it. Smell barbecue. Smell chicken. Oh, wow, it smells these states. Whatever we think of politics or anything, be grateful for this country. Those that are not, I don't know. Crazy. Think like that. Just amazing. Just amazing. See nothing here. This is sunset. Oh man, it smells just gorgeous. Love the smell. Believe it or not, that's a dead tree. It snowed here. We had sprinkles or snow flurries January 6 months ago. Just about. My neighbor's swimming and what I guess you can hear them. There, fireworks. Wow, another one. I can zoom in. Yeah, shoot him. Come on, shoot more. Wow. Amazing. Okay, that is a beautiful view. I'm in the car now. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Happy 250th anniversary of the United States of America. Lights? I don't know.
Yes, they did. I don't know why. Maybe in their backyards.
Maybe next year I'll go buy $1,000 worth of fireworks.
Yeah,
What?
Maybe next year I'll go buy $1,000 worth of fireworks.
No.
yeah, when you win the lotto.
No, that's my countertop for my kitchen. We can stand around the kitchen countertop and go, woo!
Yeah.
That's cool.
No, she's calling. Hello? Hello?
Can't read
Yeah,
it.
we can see it, but we don't know what it's.
Yeah, you can't read it.
It's up. It's
It says
reversed.
Fort St. Lucie.
Oh.
How cool. Thank you. She says this is Fort St. Lucie.
That's cool.
Oh, here's Jen. I love this town.